Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best table saw is probably one of the most indispensable tools for any serious woodworker or DIY enthusiast, transforming raw lumber into precise components with unparalleled accuracy and efficiency, making it the cornerstone of countless projects from intricate furniture to robust home renovations, and choosing the right one can significantly impact the quality and speed of your craftsmanship. Number 5. DEWALT 15 amp 8 to 14 inches. Compact Jobsite Table Saw DWE 7485. This powerful saw offers an impressive 24.5 inches of rip capacity. It effortlessly handles large materials like 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets, making your work more efficient. Its compact size ensures easy transportation to any job site. When the day is done, storing it away is just as simple and convenient. Experience fast, smooth, and accurate adjustments with its rack and pinion telescoping fence rails. This system ensures your cuts are always precise. Keep all your essential accessories organized and within reach. It features convenient onboard storage for the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge. Designed with a robust metal roll cage base, it stands up to the toughest job site conditions. This ensures long-lasting durability and reliability. The Site Pro modular guarding system allows for quick, tool-free adjustments. This feature enhances safety and streamlines your workflow. Its power loss reset feature prevents accidental restarts. This ensures safety by stopping it from turning on unexpectedly after a power disruption. What we like. This saw offers a great balance of power and portability. Its compact size makes it incredibly easy to transport and store, perfect for those with limited space or who frequently move their tools. If you're a DIYer or a professional needing a reliable, easy-to-move saw for smaller jobs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. DEWALT 10-inch Table Saw DWE 7491 RS with rolling stand. Its rack and pinion telescoping fence system ensures adjustments are fast, smooth, and incredibly accurate. This feature allows you to achieve perfect cuts every time. With its patented material support, you can confidently make even the narrowest rip cuts. Plus, its generous 32 to 12-inch rip capacity effortlessly handles larger shelving and trim materials. It features an integrated storage system for all essential accessories. This keeps your blade guard, fence, miter gauge, and other tools organized and readily accessible. The rolling stand ensures easy setup and breakdown, providing excellent stability. Its telescoping fence rails retract, transforming it into a compact, portable package for transport or storage. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, it powers through hardwoods effortlessly. This ensures efficient and clean cuts, even on the toughest materials. A 2 to 12-inch dust collection port allows for easy connection to a vacuum. This feature ensures efficient dust extraction, keeping your workspace cleaner and safer. What we like. This model stands out with its impressive rip capacity and integrated rolling stand. The larger capacity allows for tackling bigger materials with ease, while the stand ensures quick setup and breakdown. If you frequently work with larger sheets of material and need a robust, mobile solution for your job site, this one is built for you. What people say. No reviews available in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews available in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. SKIL SPT 99-1110-inch worm drive table saw. Experience legendary worm drive gearing. It offers an impressive 3 to 5/8-inch depth of cut and a generous 30 to 12-inch rip capacity, handling even the toughest materials with ease. Achieve perfect cuts every time with its precision rack and pinion fence system. This allows for quick, smooth adjustments, ensuring consistent accuracy in your work. Its rugged rolling stand features 16-inch wheels and easy load handles. This design provides unsurpassed mobility, letting you move it effortlessly around your workspace. Keep your work area tidy with its integrated dust port elbow. This clever feature efficiently contains debris to a single area, making cleanup quick and simple. The outfeed and left support extensions are designed for efficiency. They enable you to make larger cuts safely and easily, even when working alone. What we like. What sets this saw apart is its legendary worm drive gearing, delivering exceptional power and torque. This translates to a deeper depth of cut, handling tough materials effortlessly. If you're a professional who demands maximum power and durability for heavy-duty applications, this workhorse will not disappoint. What people say. Number 2. Garvee 10-inch 15A multifunctional table saw. Easily adjust its blade height with a convenient hand wheel to meet your specific cutting needs. This saw features a rack and pinion bevel control, providing precise 90-degree cross-cutting and 0 to 45-degree bevel cuts. It boasts a high-quality 15-amp motor, achieving 5,000 revolutions per minute for effortless cutting of all hardwoods. Its stable metal stand with triangle supports and extendable table ensures it handles larger pieces securely. Maintain a cleaner working environment with its rear port for a dust collector. It also includes convenient storage on both sides for wrenches and the push stick when they are not in use. This saw prioritizes your safety with a transparent blade guard, offering clear visibility and preventing accidental contact. It also comes with a push stick, an on-off switch, and overload protection for secure operation. Designed for versatility, it's ideal for various woodworking tasks, from precise cuts to general job site use. Its robust features and ease of use make it an indispensable tool for any project. What we like. This multifunctional saw offers great versatility with its precise bevel angle and height adjustments. Its powerful motor ensures fast, clean cuts through various hardwoods, and the extended table provides extra stability for larger pieces. If you're looking for a feature-rich saw that offers excellent value and adaptability for diverse woodworking projects, this is a strong contender. What people say. Number 1. SKIL 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw TS6307-00. Its rack and pinion fence rails ensure the fence stays perfectly parallel to the blade. This guarantees fast, smooth, and incredibly accurate cuts for all your projects. Featuring an integrated folding stand, its legs quickly fold in. This design provides exceptional portability and convenient storage, making it easy to move and put away. Achieve perfect cuts with its parallel blade alignment system. It allows for micro-adjustment of the blade, ensuring it's always parallel to the rip fence and miter slot. This saw boasts an impressive 4x4 cutting capacity. It can effortlessly cut materials up to 4x4 inches at a 90-degree angle, tackling demanding tasks with ease. Explore versatile cutting options with its 2 to 47-degree bevel capacity. It cuts precisely between two positive stops at 0 and 45 degrees, easily adjusted with a quick-release lever. Maintain a cleaner work environment thanks to its dust port elbow. This feature efficiently redirects dust to a container, making cleanup simple and hassle-free after every use. What we like. This saw is designed for ultimate convenience and precision on the job site. Its integrated folding stand makes it incredibly portable and easy to store, while the parallel blade alignment ensures consistently accurate cuts. If you prioritize quick setup, easy transport, and reliable accuracy for everyday job site tasks, this model is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted for the table saw. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.